Folding standing desks are becoming increasingly popular in the modern workplace due to their versatility and ergonomic benefits. There are many products available to choose folding standing desks, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best folding standing desks from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Folding Laptop Computer Desk. The Ataka Folding Desk is a versatile and convenient desk that is perfect for home or office use. With its no assembly required design, you can set it up in just a minute, making it an excellent choice for those who dislike the hassle of complicated assembly processes. The desk features a fixed and stable X-shaped frame and triangular structure, ensuring durability and wear resistance. The desktop is made of environmentally friendly paint-free board, which is scratch-resistant and moisture-proof. The folding support frame allows for quick unfolding and easy storage, making it ideal for small spaces. With a spacious desktop, this desk provides ample space for books, documents, and laptops. It promotes better posture and reduces back and neck pain, making it perfect for long hours of work. The Ataka Folding Desk also features adjustable foot pads for uneven floors and polished corners for safety and comfort. Number 2. Green Forest Folding Desk No Assembly. The Green Forest Folding Desk offers a hassle-free solution for those needing a compact workspace. With no assembly required, you can easily set it up in seconds, making it perfect for busy individuals. Its lightweight design allows you to fold it down to just 2.8 inches, making moving and storage a breeze. This desk is ideal for small spaces, fitting conveniently behind doors or under furniture when not in use. Plus, its sturdy construction ensures durability, providing a reliable surface for all your tasks. Number 3. Wohomo Folding Desk. The Wohomo Folding Desk is an excellent choice for those who want a functional, portable, and space-saving desk. With its nylon buckle design, the desk can be easily folded and unfolded, providing a stable surface without shaking. Its slim design allows it to be easily hidden away when not in use, making it perfect for small spaces such as home offices, bedrooms, or RVs. The desk is lightweight and sturdy, making it easy to move around by anyone. With its spacious surface, you can work comfortably with 2 monitors, and the spacious leg space adds to your comfort. This desk is perfect for writing, studying, gaming, and even dining. Number 4. Assembly Foldable Computer Desk. The Neat Folding Desk is a convenient solution for small spaces. It comes fully assembled and can be folded up and down quickly, with a thickness of only 4.5 inches for easy storage. The desk is made of high-strength, thick tubing steel that is powder-coated for a perfect finish, and the desktop surface is 3/4 inch thick, highly resistant to scratches and friction. It can be used as a laptop desk, small writing desk, sewing table, study table, and more. The desk has a maximum load capacity of 220 pounds and is backed by a damage-free or your money-back guarantee. Number 5. Green Forest Folding Desk No Assembly Required Small Size. The Green Forest Folding Desk is a space-saving and convenient solution for small spaces. With no assembly required, you can start working right away. When not in use, simply fold it up and store it in a corner, as it takes up only 1 inch of width. The desk also features a shelf on the desktop, providing ample storage space for your monitor, books, plants, and other small items. With dimensions of 22 inches from the wall to the desk edge and 27.5 inches from the floor to the main desktop, it's perfect for creating a cozy workspace in limited areas. Additionally, this portable desk is lightweight and sturdy, allowing you to easily move it from one room to another, providing you with flexibility in choosing your work environment.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.